How to create an Instagram account. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram account in just 6 minutes. Whether you're new to social media or creating your first Instagram account, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, if you don't have the Instagram app installed, go ahead and download it. Android users can find it on the Google Play Store by searching Instagram, and iPhone users can download it from the App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and follow the next steps. When you open the app, you'll see the option to sign up or create new account. Tap on that. Now you have two options. You can sign up using your phone number or your email address. Enter your phone number or email and you'll receive a code for verification. Enter the code to move forward. Next, you need to set a password. Make sure it's strong to keep your account secure. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for the best protection. After setting the password, you'll be asked to choose a username. This is the name people will use to find you on Instagram. If your desired username is already taken, try something unique. Now, it's time to upload a profile picture. You can select an image from your gallery or take a new one using your camera. Your profile picture is your identity on Instagram, so pick something you like. Once your account is set up, Instagram will suggest people for you to follow. You can sync your phone contacts or follow friends from Facebook, or you can manually search for people you'd like to follow. Now that your account is ready, you can create your first post. Just tap the plus sign at the bottom, choose a photo or video, add a caption, and hit post. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks. That's how you create an Instagram account quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends so they can learn how to set up their accounts too. See you in the next video.